Okay, hi everybody. We're continuing with integration. Once more, disclaimer, this video is for the integrated math students of the Nevis Sixth Form College. They have this handout and they will be following along as I explain. Now this topic says integrating functions when n is equal to -1. In an earlier video, I gave you this general formula to integrate functions where you add 1 to the power and divide by that answer. Now, this formula can only be used if n is not equal to -1. So, let's see what happens if n is equal to -1. So if you have a function like this, the integral of 1 over ax plus b, now this ax plus b can be brought up and will be raised to a -1. So here, n is equal to -1. So the rule is, if a function is in the form 1 over ax plus b, its integral is 1 over a, where a is the coefficient of x, ln of the modulus ax plus b plus c. So once more, the integral of a function in the form 1 over ax plus b equals 1 over a ln ax plus b plus c. Here we have a next example, the integral of 1 over x. Now this 1 over x can be rewritten as x to the -1. So as you see here, n is equal to -1. So for a function in the form 1 over x, its integral is equal to ln modulus of x plus c. So those are the two rules you have to know when n is equal to -1. So let's look at an example. So here we have the integral of 1 over 2x plus 3. A here is 2. A, remember, is the coefficient of x. So following the rule, 1 over 2x plus 3 will be 1 over a, which is 1 over 2, ln ax plus b. And here, x plus b is 2x plus 3. So that's why we have ln 2x plus 3. And then we put our plus c at the end. In our second example, we have the integral of 3 over 5 minus 4x. Now what I did was take out this 3, I factored out the 3 at the top, and be left with 1 over my 5 minus 4x. So now my function is in the form 1 over ax plus b. So all I will do is integrate this portion, and whatever answer I get, I will multiply it by this 3 that we have on the outside. So following, in this question, a is -4. So following the rule to integrate our 1 over 5 minus 4x, we will get 1 over a, which is 1 over -4, and our ln ax plus b, which works out to ln 5 minus 4x, and we put our plus c at the end. So here, the 3 that we had on the outside gets multiplied by our -1/4, making our answer -3 over 4 ln 5 minus 4x plus c. In our third example, we have the integral of 1 over 2x. What I did here is factor out half, so it's half times the integral of 1 over x that is left back. We know that the integral of 1 over x is equal to ln modulus x plus c. So this answer, which is our ln x plus c, gets multiplied by the half, making this our final answer. So once more, the half is factored out, and we are integrating the 1 over x that's left back, making our answer half times ln modulus x plus c. So we have 4 questions that follow First one, the integral of 3 over 3x plus 5 dx. So here, we will factor out the 3 and we will integrate the 1 over 3x plus 5 that's left back. So, following the rule, the integral of 1 over 3x plus 5 will be 1 over a, which is 1 over 3, ln 3x plus 5 plus c. And this 1 over 3 gets multiplied by the 3 that we had on the outside, making our answer simply ln 3x plus 5 plus c. In our second question, we have the integral of negative 6 all over 7 times 2 minus 3x. So, once again, I'm going to factor out. This time I'm factoring out a negative 6 over 7, as you see here. And I'll be left with 1 over 2 minus 3x, as can be seen right here. So now when I integrate my 1 over 2 minus 3x, my a in this case is negative 3. So we get 1 over negative 3 ln 2 minus 3x plus c at the end. And now this 1 over negative 3 gets multiplied by this negative 6 over 7 we had, making our answer 6 over 21, or simplified to 2 over 7. So our final answer becomes 2 over 7 ln 2 minus 3x plus c. In our third question, we have the integral of 2 over 5x. So we'll factor out the 2 over 5 and integrate the 1 over x that's left back. The integral of 1 over x is ln modulus x plus c, so that simply gets multiplied by the 2 over 5 that was factored out initially. In our last question, we have the integral of negative 4 over 3x. So this negative 4 over 3 gets factored out, leaving our 1 over x. And the integral of 1 over x, once again, is ln modulus x plus c, and that gets multiplied by the negative 4 over 3 that was brought out.